Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to understand how secondary growth occurs in dicot root. Secondary growth is increase in the width of the root. First, there will be increase in the width at the stellar region, which is followed by increase in width in the extrastellar region or girth in the extrastellar region. In the stellar region, how is the stele of dicot root? They have tetraxylem, which means 4 xylem, 4 phloem will be present. In between vascular bundles or xylem and phloem, you will find tissues, parenchymatous tissue called conjunctive tissues are present. Now, the conjunctive tissue present below the phloem will undergo dedifferentiation to form a strip of cambium. Here it is shown stele, that is outermost part of the stele is pericycle, and this is xylem, phloem, and below phloem there is formation of cambium. Next step. Now cells of pericycle lying opposite to protoxylem or above protoxylem, they will undergo dedifferentiation. They will also form one cambial strip right opposite to protoxylem. After which there will be dedifferentiation of cambium or dedifferentiation of conjunctive tissue to form cambium, that is here they will join as they dedifferentiate. So this is a conjunctive tissue surrounding the phloem, hence there is formation of a wavy cambial ring. So in the wavy cambial ring, cambium formed from dedifferentiation of conjunctive tissue, cambium formed from dedifferentiation of pericycle, and the cambium surrounding the phloem are all involved in the formation of wavy cambial ring. Now as the cambial ring adds on new cells because of dedifferentiation, it will push the phloem towards the periphery. Look at here, this is a phloem which is being pushed to the periphery. It is nothing but primary phloem, and a continuous ring is formed, that is nothing but vascular cambium. Now cells of vascular cambium undergo periclinal division. They cut off cell towards the inner side, where usually they add 8 to 10 times more cells towards the inner side, and that will develop into secondary xylem. Primary xylem, because of the addition of secondary xylem, it is pushed to the center. Here it is shown. Then on the outer side, it will add secondary phloem, where primary phloem is pushed towards the periphery. And there will be addition of radially arranged parenchymatous cell by the vascular cambium, which passes between xylem and phloem, and that is called medullary rays. So this is how the stellar girth or width increases due to activity of vascular cambium. That exerts addition of tissues in the stellar region, exert pressure on the outer side where there is epidermis. So outer part of root, if you consider outermost epidermis, this is a stele, pericycle. Next to pericycle you will find endodermis, cortex, and a epidermis. Because of the pressure exerted, now in the cortex region there is formation of a cambium known as cork cambium. How it is formed? Cork cambium is formed by dedifferentiation of major part of pericycle. So difference in stele and extrastele region is, in stellar region only cells lying opposite to the protoxylem, that means minor part of pericycle is involved in cambial ring formation, whereas in the extrastellar region major part of pericycle cells are involved in the formation of cambial ring. It cuts off cell towards the outer side, that will develop into cork, cuts off cell towards the inner side, that will develop into secondary cortex. Together cork cambium and secondary cortex is called periderm. So there is formation of a periderm, and there is increase in width in the extrastellar region takes place. Now consider annual ring. Whether annual rings are seen, most of the dicot root don't show prominent annual ring. Why? Because annual ring is nothing but secondary xylem formed during spring and autumn season. These roots remain below the soil so that sensation of seasons won't be there, hence there is no spring wood or autumn wood formation, hence you will not find any distinct annual ring most of the time in dicot root. So this is regarding secondary growth in dicot root. I hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.